In this video, I'm going to share with you a secret manifestation formula to manifest anything you want. Hey everyone, my name is Carl. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for checking out this video and stopping by. And we're going to be doing a really fun manifestation visualization exercise to help you manifest anything you want. I'm actually borrowing this exercise from Neville Goddard, and he was saying that if you just do this one exercise, you'll be able to manifest anything you want. The key thing is you have to do this on a consistent basis. It's very, very important. But this technique is called the movie clip technique, and we want to create a 2-minute movie clip mental picture by using our imagination. Yes, it's gonna be so fun. Trust me, and that this technique does absolute wonders. And to help you capture the feeling of the thing that you want to manifest in your life, because that's the goal. To manifest what we want in our life and to create anything we want in our life, we have to capture the feeling, embody it, and now take action on that. And so this visualization is really going to help you capture that feeling, that warm feeling in your heart. And when you do that, you're able to embody it, embody this new identity, or embody this new change for your life, and to take with that and now put the action towards it. And so at this time, we are going to start this exercise. So I want you to close your eyes, and we're going to do this activity together. So close your eyes at this time now. With your eyes closed, I want you to picture yourself however you're going to picture yourself, a little bit differently, because everything is new. You're no longer the old new. This is the new you. See yourself, but you are a new version of yourself, someone who has their desire, someone who has abundance, plethoras of money, someone who has brand new designer clothes, someone who has a brand new watch, someone who has brand new shoes, an expensive car, a large mansion, the love that they desire, the well-being that they crave. Create a vivid image of that new version of yourself. I want you to create this image as if it's on a movie screen. Now you see that movie screen, you see that new version of yourself with everything you desire. And now you're going to step into that screen and you become that person. So now you're seeing life inside that new version of yourself. Now you're going to bring people into this movie. You're going to bring friends. You're going to bring relatives. You're going to bring coworkers. Bring them in and notice how they are in awe of your success. They are patting you on the back. They are congratulating you. They are asking you how you did it. How did you do this? How did you do it so quickly? How did you go from not having much to all of a sudden having all of this in a blink of an eye? They are envious of you, and they cannot believe all of your success. Catch yourself in the feeling of this being your new reality. Catch yourself in the feeling of all of your success, that ecstatic feeling, that feeling of everything being wonderful. For the next 30 seconds, just continue to play around with this new version of yourself, with all of your manifestations, everyone asking you on how you did it, wanting to know more, and awe of your ability to create everything you want. Enjoy it, relax in it, and feel it. You can now open your eyes. So how did that make you feel? Did you catch yourself in the feeling of being in that reality? I know for some people, when they open up their eyes, they can be kind of shocked. They can be maybe upset that it's not their real life, but it can be your real life. Our imagination is very, very powerful. Sometimes I think that people think our imagination is stuff that we make up in our minds and that it's just not real. But actually, everything that we say to ourselves or say to other people, we are actually creating mental pictures of those things based on the words that we are saying, whether to ourselves or to other people. So we're actually honing in and harnessing the power of our imaginations to create anything that we want. And when we are doing this exercise, the whole premise about this exercise is to capture the feeling, embodying it, and now putting the out of the action to create that new identity for yourself. Because if we really don't believe in it, and we don't feel the emotions from that new version of yourself, it's going to be impossible for you to create that new version for yourself. So you really have to feel it. You have to really believe in that. And believe in the new version of yourself, that you are capable of having the love that you desire, the adoration, the love that you want from this person, or the amount of money you want to make, or that promotion you want at your job, or a new change of jobs, and you might feel like you're not qualified for it, but you really want to do it. You are capable of everything. You're capable of moving mountains. It's all within you. The power of everything comes down to you. It's not anyone else, it's you. And so using this exercise, you're able to really hone in your power, that superpower of yours, and really take off, fly with it, and really manifest anything you want. Because I also think that with this exercise, you're able to kind of have this association and this feeling and this connection with that new version of yourself that your mind now has. I think sometimes people have a hard time changing to the new version of themselves because of fear, doubt, lack of association of this new version of themselves, because they think it's just out of this world, it's impossible to have. But when we create those pictures of ourselves, this mental picture and this movie clip of ourselves, seeing the actions taking place in our mind, our brain believes that. It doesn't know that it's not real or anything like that. We doing this action and putting the mental picture in is really going to help you change yourself to be, or evolving to be, this better version of yourself that you are seeking out to be. And like I said, the power is within you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I sincerely appreciate it. If you like this kind of content, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button. Follow me on my social medias. They'll be linked in the description box down below. And I also have a website called manifestingmastery.com where I have really cool resources about law of attraction, so definitely check that out. And I look forward to hearing what you think about this exercise. And I want to hear all your wonderful dreams, goals, and all of that. I want to hear that, or any questions you have about law of attraction. And I'll see everyone next video. Bye!